In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to unlock true or actual dark mode on your iPhone running iOS 26. Starting with iOS 26, it's possible to achieve a deep, nearly pure black interface across the system. This applies to folders, pop-up menus, control center, notification, widgets, and more. To begin, press and hold anywhere on the screen, click on the option Edit, click on Customize, and set it to dark. This will turn your app icons to the dark. Now to enable dark mode for your device, what you want to do is open Control Center, click on Array Control, search for dark mode and enable it. At this point, the interface will still look translucent because of liquid glass. So next steps are key. Go to Settings, then Accessibility, then Display and Text Size and enable Reduce Transparency. This darkens things slightly, but to push it further, turn on Increase Contrast. For the biggest change, scroll down and enable Reduce White Point. Now you can use the slider and increase it. This transforms the interface into a deep black look, including the dock, folders, control center, and notification. Next thing you want to do is head back, go to the option Display and Brightness, click on the option Liquid Glass and set it to Tinted. And that's it. With these, you have just unlocked true or actual dark mode on your iPhone running iOS 26. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.